Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make text transparent in Adobe Illustrator. Open your Illustrator file. Now select Windows option and Active Control option and click Type tool, Active Type tool. Now dragging your mouse, select your text you want to make transparent. And here you will find this transparency, that means opacity option. And simply you can choose transparency and see this text already made transparent. Also I'll make this text transparent and simply select it. You can and see this transparency already added. Also I'll make this text transparent and see this text. In this way you can make all of these text or specific text transparent. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.